In this video I'm going to show you guys what to do if you forgot your password on Facebook. This will work on both iOS and Android, of course. So if you want to reset your password, then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook app and then try to log in right here. Click on the forgotten password at the bottom. And right here you have to fill in your phone number or email address. I'm just going to fill in my email address. Right here. Click on continue. And you should get a code in your email address right now. So fill in that code. Then click on continue. And if you're hacked, you can click on log me out of other devices, but I'm not hacked, I just forgot my password. So just keep me logged in and click on continue. And then right here you can choose a new password, and yeah, you're back into your account again. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Bye.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.